This is Eddie Multi-Man Services, and we're looking at cleaning this patio, getting it cleaned up and restored. This has been growth that's taken years to develop. But you know, before we go about our cleaning process, there's a few things to consider when you go about cleaning brick patio pavers like this. So you know, obviously we can get rid of all the algae and the mold and the moss that's in between all the cracks. But keep in mind, you know, when they install these brick paver patios, they install it on a bed of sand, and they also broom sand in between the cracks. And you know, over the years, without proper maintenance and adding sand and you know, making sure that you know the bricks are being sealed regularly, you're going to notice the bricks start to break up and separate a little bit. So actually, as old as this patio is, this doesn't look too bad. So after we get done cleaning this patio, it's going to look like amazing and look way better, way cleaner. But you know, as you can see over the years, the color has kind of faded away from the brick. So some things to keep in mind when we are washing. We do try to wash in a way to eliminate the amount of sand that pulls out of the cracks. But it is suggested that, you know, after cleaning a brick paver like this, you know, we go ahead and broom over with sand. We don't actually offer that service. So there are, you know, brick paver companies that they have all the special locking sand, water activated locking sand. So you might want to work with them on that. We'll go ahead and clean this patio up. We'll also clean up these at the same time. We're gonna wash that off. You know, we're gonna try to get this cleaned up for you as well. Should be worth saving. We're gonna move the patio furniture, you know, wash that down as well and put it back in place after we clean everything. I'll keep this as a separate price to go up in there. A separate price to clean the chairs. Those are kind of green. This thing is toast. I can't clean that. You want to get those cleaned. Your pergola here, it's got a lot of green algae and fun stuff like that. So that'll be a separate washing service. It'll be a low pressure cleaning process because it's painted. We don't want to damage that. So go ahead and treat these along with the patio, and then I'll leave this as a separate cleaning at the same time, so you can start seeing the algae growing on there. So go ahead and pick the package that best meets your needs, and be glad to give you like a 20% discount if you have us do the service today. That way we can be efficient with our time. Thank you so much.